Good afternoon, guys. It's AJ. What's up, you guys? I'm just making some craft dinner right now, you guys. So that's really cool and exciting. I'm gonna actually use this up really big time. This is really old. Yep. But it's okay to eat because they said it's okay to eat. Um, Plus, it's just an expired date. There's nothing wrong with it because there's no milk or anything like that. But so that's pretty really cool. And it's not really that old anyhow. It's just 2 days old. So I'm just making some crab dinner this afternoon. So talk to you guys when I'm done.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Guys, so right now, you guys, I just got done the Tall Tale speeches. It was really close, you guys. Really awesome. Really nice and exciting. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with some stuff. Try to figure things out. Trying to really cooperate with some stuff. And really cool. So we got some fruits and vegetables from the so we got some fruits and vegetables, which we are gonna try to mix something up with all these fruits and vegetables. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna make a what is it called? I don't really know what it's called. Probably a mix. Mix. I don't know what's really technically called. I'm trying to figure the name on top of my head, but maybe a mix. Crisp. I'm thinking of making one. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So talk to you guys when I make it one. My concoction with muskmelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, and grapes all in this bundle in the crisp. So it's really good, you guys. So talk to you guys then. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. I might start up with the question of the day tomorrow, maybe. I might start with that. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I really do not know what I'm going to do, but I really want to start interacting with you guys a little bit more and exciting. So let's go Dogs Fun. Sign out. Peace out, guys. See you guys back here in the future. Have a good day. Goodbye.